Hello students, this is your social study class. So let's start with chapter 2, Stone Age. The Stone Age objective to understand what life was like for people during the Stone Age. The Stone Age. The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period during which stone was widely used to make tools with an edge. Scientists believe that the species of Homo sapiens, emerged between 1 lakh and 4 lakh years ago in Africa. The first humans had faced a struggle for survival, and for thousands and thousands of years they had two concerns: finding food and protecting themselves. So food is important for our body, and we should protect ourselves from animals that time. The people who had lived in the early part of the old stone age were nomads. Nomads are people who wander from place to place instead of settling down. Groups like this, whose food supply depends on hunting animals and collecting plant foods, were called hunter gatherers. They found food by hunting and gathering nuts, berries, and roots. So, if you want to eat something, we have to collect some food, and that time early man was dependent on nuts, berries, and roots, whatever they get from the forests. They adapted their environmental by making simple tools. So whatever they have, they used to make tools by use of stones. You can see in picture. The early ages of humankind are based on the kind of tools used: first stone, then copper and bronze, and then iron. So, this is the development: first stone, then copper, then bronze, and then iron. They made the tools. The Paleolithic age, we can also say Old Stone Age, 5 lakh before Christ to 10,000 before Christ. The term Paleolithic means Paleolithic. Paleolithic means old stone age, referring to the crude stone tools of that time. It means that time there is no more development. They used to make tools by using different kind of stones. These early modern humans used many tools, more than 100 different ones. They used stone, bone, and wood. They made knives, hooks, and bone needles. These tools were an important part of their survival. They helped with hunting. You can see in picture. See, the man is making tools by using stones. Scientists think that these people worked with one another in planning large scale hunts of animals. Hunting was aided by improved communication skills. So, when they are going to hunt, they used to communicate each other. How will hunt the animals? So, these improved the communication skills. See how they are hunting. Now, discovery of fire. It is an important discovery, students. So, the striking of two pieces of stones while making tools produced a spark which, when come in contact with dry leaves, burst into flames. And the discovery of fire changed the life of the early man. Really, the discovery of fire changed the life of early man, because there are many development took place after the discovery of fire. Human learns to use tools to make fire. So when the discovery of fire held, they used to make modern tools by use of fires. They made clothes from animal skins also. These advancements, along with shelter, would help them survive a wide variety of environment. Okay, so after the development, they used to live in a good way. How to live in society, how to interact with the environment. So they learn. Much of the old Stone Age overlapped the ice age. When the earth was colder than it is now, huge sheets of ice glaciers covered much the land. So there is only ice and ice. You can see in picture. This is our earth, and whole earth is covered with glaciers, means ice. Yes. Scientists believe the first Homo sapiens came from Africa. We have already studies. These people found ways to survive the freezing cold of the ice age. Okay, so they learned how to survive in ice age, and discovery of fire a lot helped them. About 30,000 years ago, though, the Neanderthals strangely disappeared. It is a kind of human being. Now, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age, 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. They may have also had more skill at speaking than did the Neanderthals, because they had these skills. The Cro Magnons were better at finding food. That may explain why Cro Magnons survived and Neanderthals did not. So, you can compare that many persons have different skills. So, here we can say that the Cro-Magnons have more better skills than Neanderthals. Early man also created works of art known as pictographs, including painting. Thousands of years ago, artists mixed charcoal, mud, and animal's blood to make paint. So, this is the different style of paint. How you can see in picture how the early man is making a paint by using mixed charcoal, mud, and animal blood. They use this paint to draw pictures of animals on cave walls and rocks. See, this is another picture. Smaller and sharper tools. Microliths. Micro means small and lith means stone. So these are very smaller tools used by the early man. New tools included bone tools, borers, scrapers, and arrowheads. So you can see in picture, these all are the tools they started to use, and it is very sharper tools. The Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. For centuries, humans lived by hunting and gathering. Humans lived in small group of only 20 or 30 people. They often return to a certain area in the same season each year because they knew it would be rich in food at that time. So they have also some places, so where they farming, they knows that place. So a certain season they return to that place. Okay, over the years some humans realized that they could leave plant seeds in an area one year and find plants growing there the next year. This was the beginning of a new part of human life, farming. Yes. Now social life. As you know that man is a social animal. Primitive man used to move and live in groups called clans. Responsibilities. What are the responsibilities of man and woman in social life? Women have household works and men have outdoor activities. Scientists think that the climate becomes warmer all around the world at about the same time. Humans knew new knowledge about planting seeds combined with this warmer climate to create the Neolithic revolution. Yeah, this is the Neolithic revolution and the agricultural revolution that occurred during the Neolithic period. So this is the very important discovery which early man done. So after agriculture, their life has been fully changed. The Neolithic Age or New Stone Age went from about 8000 BC or before Christ to around 3000 BC. Okay, you can see in picture how they are making their houses. Agriculture. Now agriculture, we are going to study in detail germination of seed into new plants. So they learn how to germinate new seed into plants. Early man becomes food gatherer. Yeah, so they learn how to gather food. They settle on the banks of river because they get water from there. Settlements grew into villages. Early man learns to cultivate and know for proper plantation water and sunlight needed. Okay, so they knows how to cultivate and for plantation the sunlight and water needed. They also learn to store enough food in plastered basket of mud. So after consumption, whatever they get enough food, they used to keep or store in a basket. Okay, and that basket made of mud. Instead of relying on gathering food, people began to produce food. One early farming method was slash and burn farming. It is very important. Slash and burn farming. That means cutting trees and burning them to clear a field. So they they cut the trees and clear the field for farming purpose. The ashes were used to fertile the soil. As today we are using different types of chemicals. So that time they use ashes, we can say in Hindi rak. Okay, so ashes they use to fertile the soil. Along with growing food, they also began to raise animals. They tamed horses, dogs, goats, and pigs. Domestication is the taming of animals and plants. So it is very important. Domestication, they used to domesticate different types of animals like dog, cow, and sheep. Okay, now goats, horses. Okay, you can see in picture the man have many cows. See, it is an old picture, a woman collecting grains. Now pottery, it is very important. Vessels needed to store milk and other things. So after domestication, they used to learn how to get milks from the animals, and how to store that milk. They needed a vessel, bartan. So vessels needed to store milk and other things. See, these are vessels used to store the things. Now, important discovery, invention of wheel. The use of wheel made transportation easier and faster. How? You can see today in modern and you can see that. What are the uses of wheel? Without wheel, we can't run fast. So, the use of wheel made transportation easier and faster. The village grew on the good land near a river. Some workers grew wheat, barley, and peas. So, the first crop was wheat, barley, and peas. Then, early man learns how to grow the different kind of crops. Others raise sheep and cattle because these workers produce enough food for all the people. Other could begin developing other kind of skills. So that time also different early mans have different kind of skills. So they use that skills and develop themselves. Religion. Early man started to fear natural forces. Yes, they fear to natural forces. Man started worshipping the forces of nature as gods. Death was a journey to another world. So after getting that, they thought that we are going to another world. See, these statues were founded. They have found evidence that the people had religion too. You can see in picture Chalcolithic age or copper and stone age, 4000 BC to 2000 BC. In this age, man used both stone and copper for making tools. So this is the advancements in tools. Copper was the first metal discovered by man. It is very helpful in agriculture and making various tools. In India, copper tools have been found in Rajasthan, Ganga Yamuna Doab, and Bihar. So the Chalcolithic age is also very beneficial for the early man. Now, Iron Age. Discovery of iron was a major advancement in the history of civilization. Yes, iron was harder than copper and bronze, and also cheaper. Iron tools help in clearing the jungles, forests. Yeah, and it helps in agriculture and other works. In India, use of iron began in 1000 BC or before Christ. You can see the latest tools which was made with the help of iron, and it is the very cheaper. So people started to use iron and started making tools. Now, conclusion. The Stone Age marks a period of prehistory in which humans used primitive stone tools lasting roughly 2.5 million years. The Stone Age ended around 5000 years ago when humans in the Near East began working with metal and making tools and weapons from bronze. So after the invention of bronze and iron, they lived using stone tools. Okay, so it is very important chapter. uh, Earlier they used to make tools with the help of stones, and after the invention of copper, bronze, iron, they use a latest tool, and it helps in hunting. So thank you students, watch this video and learn carefully. Thank you.